Hello everyone. Today our topic is fraction. Here I introduce to what is a fraction and their type. Moving forward, please subscribe my channel for more video and notification. Let us now start a first fraction. The number which are in form of a by b, where a is a numerator and b is a denominator, and a and b are number, then a by b is called a fraction, which is clear by given example. A is a numerator and b is a denominator. Here fraction value is understanding by graph figure. Here whole part is a color, then fraction value is a 1 by 1. Second figure is a half part is a colored, then fraction value of this figure is a 1 by 2. Third is a fourth part is a color, then fraction value is a 1 by 4. Here 3 part is a color out of 4, then this value of fraction is 3 by 4. Go to next page and now start types of fraction. In type of fraction, first type is a proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is less than its denominator. Here given example, 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. In both example, numerator 2 and 5, which is smaller by given denominator. 2 is less than 3 and 5 is less than 7. Then these type of fraction is called proper fraction. In given figure, numerator value is 3, denominator value is 5, 3 is less than 5, then this type of fraction is called a proper fraction. This type of fraction is called a proper fraction. Go to next page and next type. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. In improper fraction, the denominator is less than the numerator. Here given example is 5 by 3. Here denominator is 3, denominator, and 5 is a numerator. Here numerator 5 is a greater than denominator. Then this type of fraction is called improper fraction. 9 is also larger value compared to 5. Then this type of example is improper fraction. Go to next type, mixed fraction. A number consisting of an integer and a fraction is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a composition of whole number and fraction value. This is a fractional part, this is a whole number. A mixed fraction is a addition of whole number and fraction value. Go to next type, decimal fraction. A fraction which have denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. is called decimal fraction. That means ऐसे फ्रैक्शन जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में 10, 100 और 1000 वैल्यूज पाई जाती हैं उन्हें डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस कहते हैं. गो टू नेक्स्ट टाइप, वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 is called vulgar fraction. That means it is a vice versa of decimal fraction. ऐसे फ्रैक्शन जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में 10, 100, 1000 के अलावा वैल्यूज पाई जाती है. Here given example is 2 by 11 which denominator is not found 10, 100 or 1000 value. Here given denominator is 11. Then this type of fraction is called vulgar fraction. 4 by 13 is similarly vulgar fraction. 13 by 20 is also vulgar fraction. Go to next type, equivalent fraction. A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying and divide its numerator and denominator by same non-zero values are called equivalent fraction. First example is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 multiplied by 2, denominator is also multiplied by 2, then result is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is equivalent 1 by 3. Similarly, multiplied by 3 multiplied by denominator 3, then we gets 3 by 9. 3 by 9 is similarly are equivalent fraction 1 by 3. Similarly, 4 by 12 is equivalent fraction multiplied by 1 by 3. Here multiplied by 2 in numerator and 2 is denominator, then we get 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 16. Here 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 16 are equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Go to next type. Like fraction. Fraction having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fraction. That means same denominator. Here given example is denominator is same value. Denominator is same value. Then these example is like fraction. Here denominator value is same. Then this type of graph also is a part of like fraction. Go to next type. Unlike fraction is vice versa of like fraction. Fraction having the different denominator are called unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. 7 by 9, 9 by 14, 11 by 13. Here given denominator is different, then it is called unlike fraction. In graph also have different denominator, different value of denominator, then it is called unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Now go to next type. Next topic is comparing the fraction. Let two fractions first is a by b, first is a by b, and second fraction is c by d. If cross multiplication of these fraction is greater, equal or less, then fraction value is also greater, equal, less. Here given fraction multiplied by cross fraction AD then AD greater BC. Similarly AD then AD equal BC, AD then AD less than BC. Take an example in figure. 4 10 ja 40, 6 3 ja 18. Here 40 greater 18, 40 greater 18. Go to next page. Comparing fraction, cross multiplication or butterfly method. 3 3 ja 9, 5 2 ja 10. Here 10 is greater than 9. Go to next page. Method of comparing more than two fraction. दो से अधिक फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू को हाउ टू कंपेयर. Let us some steps are followed. First step is find the LCM of denominator of given fraction. Let it be m, जिसे हम m मानते हैं. LCM लेते हैं पहले. सेकेंड, कन्वर्ट द ऑल गिवन फ्रैक्शन इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सभी फ्रैक्शंस को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा. थर्ड स्टेप, नाउ इफ वी कंपेयर any two of these like fraction, then the one having larger numerator is larger. Then compare which fraction is numerator have larger value, then these fraction is larger. Take some example to understand clear. Now go to next page. Here the fraction 1 by 5, second fraction is 4 by 5 and third fraction is 3 by 10. Then take the LCM of these. First step is LCM is 10. LCM is 10. Then convert the like fraction. 1 by 5 value is 2 by 10. Similarly, convert the 4 by 5 in like fraction 8 by 10, and similarly 3 by 10 is like fraction 3 by 10. Then compare these values. Here numerator of second fraction is greater than third fraction, and last 2 by 10, which is written in sequence 8 by 10 greater, 3 by 10 greater, 2 by 10. Go to next page. Next topic is ascending or descending order. The meaning of ascending order means smallest to largest value. Descending means largest to smaller value. Here given fraction value descending order. This is a descending order and this is a ascending order. Our next topic is conversion of mixed fraction and improper fraction, vice versa. The conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction by given method. Improper fraction equal to whole number multiplied by denominator and plus numerator upon denominator, which is clear by this example. Here 3 multiplied by 1 and add by 2, 3 1 ja 3, add 2, and written in same value in denominator. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Multiplied by denominator, add the numerator and written in similar value of denominator. Then convert these value in improper fraction. This value is converted improper fraction. Go to next page. How to convert mixed fraction mixed fraction equal to quotient, remainder and denominator. Here a given example is improper fraction. Let us convert in mixed fraction 5 divided 11 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. Then remainder is 1. Remainder is written here. Quotient is written here. And divisor is written here. Then convert is mixed fraction.